In this video, we're going to be creek fishing at a creek. It's December 26th, and yeah, we're about to go fishing in the creek waiting. So let's get into it. What, this?
No, because we're going to be walking.
Yeah, I wouldn't bring that. But everything here is going to work. We got Ned rigs. Yeah, this will be good. And then whatever you got up there.
Some crawdads, I got some jigs.
Okay, yeah, that's going to be good. Upstream we go, up the stream we go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, upstream we go. Dog tracks.
We might not get off here.
We can go down this right here. No. Oh, this is perfect. Ooh. In. Seriously? What are you using? You got the work I'll fish with this one. Have the Tom Henry something. What else you got? That coffee? Okay. Right there, go, buddy. See right there, another one. Yes, there. I'm gonna go one more time. Jump on, a crawl maybe? Oh, close. Kirk, got it. Yeah, very good thing. Smallmouth fight hard.
Did you film this?
Yeah, I don't have to film it. I'll just stand here. I can do whatever I want. Just filming everything. Maybe I should tie on a Ned rig. You need my pliers? Okay. There he goes. And he's a good one. Oh no, he's not as big as we thought. Yep, that's one. Oh, okie doke. Yep. Uh-oh. Come back, 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 come back. Come here. Okie doke. There's our first little smallmouth. Decent little size guy. Well, he's pretty small actually. But first, winter smallmouth for me. Alright. Come on, buddy. I turned it off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come here, little boy. The only con about this lure, of course, I mean, I'm not saying that there are any big fish in here, but it doesn't really catch big fish.
Is what?
Is it doesn't catch big fish? The Ned rig.
Wood.
Well, every time I've took it fishing, I've fished ponds with this and never caught a big fish. I've caught decent ones.
I've caught a 7-pounder on plugs that same size.
Oh, maybe it does.
In fact, I caught 2 7-pounders.
This right here, I think, is my PB. Personal best. Just kidding. Look how little he is.
Yeah, I caught 2 7-pounders.
This bait, the bait's about the size of that little fish. 2 7-pounders. Oh, you showed me it in Walmart what they look like. Remember?
Well, one of them was called a great.
Hiking up the steep hill. Really sandy, which helps us get up. Ouch. We'll take a shortcut. Where's our truck? Oh man. Well, we didn't. It's not where we thought we were. This is a good little spot for a campsite. Hammocks and everything. Hammock places.